So first, this is a spinning vector. So first we will find the angular velocity of rotor. So it is coming 491. Right now. 491. Angular velocity of rotor or disc. Now I am putting mass 50, 500 grams. So it is half kg. Now once I am putting the mass, the gyroscope will start rotating about this vertical axis. If I am calling it as z axis. Okay, my spinning vector it is in this direction. That is an x. My
Z.
yes. So when I am putting the mass, when I am putting the mass, it starts to rotate. Now you need to measure the angular velocity of precision. So stopwatch निकालो. 260 degree. Write down. तो जैसे मैं मास रखूंगा, it start rotating. So we will take time for 10 degree. So 10 degree, if I want to convert it into radius, so it is pi by 180. 10 into pi by 180. So that radians you can convert. Okay. जैसे मैं मास लूँगा, आप स्टार्ट कर देना, मैं सिर्फ स्टॉप ही बोलूँगा. Stop. Sorry?
1.99.
1.99. So 2. 1.99. So you take 2 seconds. 2 seconds. So d theta it is 10 degree into pi by 180 divided by 2 seconds. So that is angular velocity of precision. Omega p आ गया. Okay. So formula it is I omega p. ओमेगा हमने फाइंड कर लिया. ओमेगा p मुझे यहाँ से मिल गया. Okay. And I it is mk square. Now m it is the mass of rotor. So that is given to you right now. So that value it is 7.9 kg. Mass of rotor it is 7.9 kg. And fine. Now I am changing the weight. RPM I am keeping as it is. Suppose you want to change the RPM, you can change, not an issue. So let me increase little bit, slight. Now I have changed the RPM. तो stabilize होने दो. Stabilize होने दो. Okay.
696.
690, 695,
690.
695. So omega it is 2 pi nt by 60. So n it is 695. Now I am putting 1 kg. So m is equals to 1 kg. Now stopwatch. So again, theta initial it is 260 degree. Now here I am taking for 20 degree. Okay? So 20 डिग्री होगा तो मैं स्टॉप कर दूंगा, आपको स्टॉप बोलूँगा. जैसे मैंने मास रखा आपको स्टार्ट कर देना है और 20 डिग्री पे मैं आपको सिंपल स्टॉप बोल दूंगा. स्टॉप. 2.9. Okay. So from this you can find the omega p. Now apply torque. Now torque कैसे find करोगे? See, in first case I have used 500 grams, 0.5 kg. Okay. So this mass multiply with 9.81 g. Okay. So this force it is acting in this direction. Now you need to take this distance. So this will give you torque. Force multiply with this much distance. From the fulcrum point you need to take the distance. So that will give you applied torque. Clear? तो मेरे पास जो टॉर्क आ गया. Now that value you need to compare with I omega p. तो वो दोनों सेम आनी चाहिए. Now about the direction. Direction again. Spinning vector. It is rotating. So I need to curl the finger in this direction. So my spinning vector it is towards this inside wall it is going. Now I am applying force. So my torque vector it is in this direction. Spinning vector यहाँ पे है, torque vector यहाँ पे है. तो ये गायरोस्कोप कहाँ पे रोटेट करना स्टार्ट करेगा? Yes, so it start rotating about because spinning vector it is following torque vector. Spinning vector follow कर रहा है torque vector को, तो ये रोटेट करना स्टार्ट कर देगा about this axis. Yes or no? देख सकते हो आप. देखो. Yes? Clear? खबर पड़े छोकरों? Now second possibility. Now it is rotating. My spinning vector it is moving in this direction. Now I am taking right turn. Right turn again. I need to curl the finger in this direction along the direction. So if I am taking right turn, okay? So right turn. तो मेरा जो applied torque, क्योंकि मुझे torque तो apply करना पड़ेगा ना. Right turn लेना है तो I need to apply some force. Okay? So again, this is my torque vector. Spinning vector ये direction में है, torque vector ये direction में है. क्या हुआ? Spinning vector it is following torque vector. तो अपने आप वो ऊपर जाएगा. If I am taking right turn, yes or no? खबर पड़े छे? Same way, if I am taking left turn, तो again spinning vector मुझे find करना है. अंदर जा रहा है. अब मैं left turn ले रहा हूँ. Left turn. So I need to apply some force in this direction. Torque. I am applying some torque in this direction. Torque. Force multiply with this much distance. I am applying some torque. तो कैसे करूँगा मैं thumb? This. कैसे करूँगा? Spinning vector ये direction में है. Torque vector ऐसे. तो आपको वही डायरेक्शन में आपको फिंगर को कर्ल करना है. So that thumb will indicate the vector. ऊपर जा रहा है. स्पिनिंग वेक्टर ये डायरेक्शन में है, टॉर्क वेक्टर ऊपर है. तो कैसे फॉलो करेगा? ये ऐसे जाएगा, पूरा ऐसे जाएगा. देखो, यस और नो? ऐसे गया पूरा. अबाउट दिस एक्सिस इट स्टार्ट रोटेटिंग. दैट इज व्हाट द गायरोस्कोपिक इफेक्ट. जो भी एक्सिस बाकी रही अबाउट विच इट स्टार्ट रोटेटिंग. दो एक्सिस तो हो गई. एक स्पिनिंग वेक्टर का था, एक टॉर्क वेक्टर का था. टॉर्क वेक्टर कौन से डायरेक्शन में थे हमारा? सपोज लेफ्ट टर्न की बात कर रहा हूँ. स्पिनिंग वेक्टर ये डायरेक्शन में है. इफ आई एम टेकिंग लेफ्ट टर्न, ऊपर के डायरेक्शन में मेरा टॉर्क ये एंड ये. स्पिनिंग वेक्टर टॉर्क वेक्टर को फॉलो कर रहा है. तो अबाउट दिस एक्सिस इट इज स्टार्ट rotating. Rotate about this axis. खबर पड़ा छोकराओ? Okay. Now quickly. We will find the omega. Omega is what? 2 pi n by 60 radian per second, and we have calculated for 5 kg and 1 kg.
1 kg.
0.5 kg. Okay. Now angular velocity of precision for both the cases we can find. It is d theta by dt. For 0.5 kg and 1 kg, we have different two values of d theta and dt. And again, d theta को मैंने रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए पाई बाई 180 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. Now I is what? Mass moment of inertia of the rotor. Okay, so it is mk square, where m it is the mass of rotor and k is radius of gyration. For disk it is r by root 2. Disk I will provide you. So ultimately it is I is what? Mr square by 2. Now actual it is I omega p. Now this value is known to you, this value is known to you, and this value is known to you. So you can find this torque. Now applied torque it is
Omega into
yes
V.
W.
Wait.
Not omega, it is W. It is mass into G. Now here I have take capital M. So you don't get confused between small m and
Capital M.
small m is what? It is a mass of rotor. And m is what? The mass I have?
V.
Yes, this mass. 1 kg and 5 kg. Fine. So mass on the pan. G it is a gravitational pull 9.81 and L is this distance. Look at here. This distance from this point to this. That distance I will provide. Okay. So this value actual and applied should equal. And whatever the difference that you need to write in conclusion. Due to this many reasons,
Errors.
there is some deviation in applied torque and actual value. Clear?